Deep in the arid, rocky hillsides of western Iran, where temperatures soar and water is scarce, life has evolved to become clever, patient, and deadly. Hidden among the stones is a creature so rare, even many biologists didn't believe it was real when it was first discovered. It's called Pseudocerastesurarachnoides, but everyone knows it by its much cooler name, the spider-tailed horned viper. Now picture this. A chunky-bodied viper about 70 centimeters long, with pale scales that blend perfectly into the dusty rocks. Two horn-like projections jut out above its eyes, giving it a devilish stare. But its real claim to fame isn't the horns or the venom, it's what's dangling off the end of its tail. This snake's tail ends in a weird, fleshy structure, knobby, bumpy, and shaped just like a fat-bodied spider. Even more insane? The tip moves like one too. It twitches. It jerks. It drags. It bounces, mimicking an injured arachnid. But why? Because while other snakes slither through the grass chasing prey, this viper brings dinner straight to its doorstep. It's mastered the ancient art of aggressive mimicry, tricking other animals by pretending to be something they want to eat. And its target? Birds. In this barren land, birds like warblers and flycatchers are constantly on the lookout for protein-packed insects. So when one of these innocent flyers spots what looks like a spider crawling along a rock, they swoop in for an easy snack. Big mistake. The moment the bird touches down, the snake launches forward with a lightning-fast strike, mouth wide, fangs out, venom pumping in milliseconds. That spider on the tail? It never stood a chance. And now, neither does the bird. But wait, it gets weirder. This viper isn't just using mimicry to survive, it's evolved to be hyper-specialized. Its tail isn't just coincidentally spider-like. It has a bulbous base and finger-like projections that mimic the shape of spider legs. The snake even twitches its tail with the erratic stop-and-go motion of a real spider. It's so convincing that even trained scientists watching camera footage have been fooled into thinking a real spider was crawling near the snake, until it strikes. This level of mimicry isn't just rare, it's almost unheard of in vertebrates. Let's break that down. Most aggressive mimics in nature are bugs, like the orchid mantis that looks like a flower, or anglerfish using a glowing lure in the deep sea. But a snake? Pretending to be a spider to catch birds? That's next-level evolution. And here's where it gets even more savage. After a successful strike, the venom acts fast. The bird is dead within moments. The snake unlocks its jaw, swallows the meal whole, and then it waits. Sometimes for hours, sometimes for days, until the next curious bird makes the same fatal error. This bizarre hunting method wasn't officially recorded until the early 2000s. Before that, only a single specimen had been found, and scientists assumed the tail deformity was some kind of genetic accident. It wasn't until motion-activated cameras captured the snake in action, tail twitching, bird attacking, snake striking, that the truth came out. And just like that, the spider-tailed horned viper went from myth to monster. But even monsters have to be careful. Despite being venomous, this viper isn't invincible. Predators like eagles and larger snakes could take it down, so it relies heavily on stealth. When not hunting, it stays buried under gravel and rock, only the eyes and tail exposed. Motionless, waiting. This sit-and-wait strategy, while effective, also makes it extremely difficult to find in the wild. Scientists still struggle to locate and study this species. It's considered rare and vulnerable. And because it's native to a politically sensitive region, conservation work is tricky at best. And here's another twist. Its venom isn't the deadliest in the snake world. It's powerful enough to down birds and small mammals, but not particularly dangerous to humans unless left untreated. Still, with fangs that can deliver deep punctures and a venom that disrupts blood clotting, you don't want to mess with this snake. What really sets it apart is the story it tells about evolution. Here's an animal that didn't just adapt to its environment. It hacked the instincts of other creatures. It didn't grow faster legs or stronger muscles. It became a master manipulator. It's nature's ultimate bait and switch. And that's what makes the spider-tailed horned viper more than just a weird-looking snake. It's a symbol of how mind-blowingly strange and smart evolution can be. It's one of those creatures that make you stop and wonder, what else is out there, hiding in plain sight? If you thought snakes couldn't get any creepier, the spider-tailed horned viper just proved you wrong. So the next time you're out bird watching and see something twitching in the dirt, maybe don't get too close. Want to see more of nature's weirdest weapons and wildest animals? Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the strangest creature you've ever heard of. This is Zoology Wiz, and the wild gets wilder from here.